Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We're here for another discount to Sorry, I got a little frog in my throat right there. That's right. It's a comedy prop. If you go to the Dollar Tree, you can find some bath toys just like this, 3 to a bag. You just have to palm it in your hand, go I have a frog in my throat, just like that. That's the gag. Oh, wow. Do that sometime for fun, and you'll have a blast at a party. If you're a magician, you can use it as a walk-around tool. It's $1 for 3 of them, so you can have them in all sorts of places. Again, this is a quick tip for entertainers, the frog in the throat. Just like that. Hey, if you've had fun, please, thank you for coming. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and you'll get the updates as they come along. Again, this is a quick tip from the DIY Magician. Until next time.